Did you know that you can make watch party or group party with Disney Plus? You can do watch party or group watch with Disney Plus as well, like you can do it with Amazon Prime Video and with other streaming platforms. And now that a lot of children will be on vacation for the holidays, they can binge watch and group watch with their relatives abroad or with their friends. So let me show you how it works and how you can use it as well. But first, let me explain you what a watch party is. Watch Party on Disney Plus started in 2020 and they call it GroupWatch, which is a feature that allows you to watch any movie, short, or TV show on the streaming platform with friends and family from different places. How does this work? Well, GroupWatch synchronizes streams so that you and your invites can all watch at the same time, even when you are in a different location. Friends or family that you invite need to have a Disney Plus account to join, but let's say you have a profile for your child and another one for your mom. So your child and grandma can use the same account and stream together. And now you can do this up to 4 different profiles on the same account. How can you launch or join? You can launch using Disney Plus website on a computer, or if you are on a tablet or mobile device, you can start it from there as well. While you are watching together, you can send some reactions in real time by tapping or clicking on the smiley face icon, showing if you are liking that scene or not to the watch party invites. Now, let me show you how to host your own Disney Plus group watch and join an existing group watch. But before we go there, if you have found this video useful so far, give it a like and click on that subscribe button so you can watch more tutorials like this one every week. How to start a Disney Plus watch party. You must be the host to invite people to a group watch. Here is how it's done. On a desktop, log into your Disney Plus account. Click on the movie or TV show that you want to start your watch party. Click the group watch icon on the title details page. It looks like 3 people in a circle. Click on the plus button to invite family and friends. Now click on copy link and share the link. You can paste this link in a text, share it on an email, WhatsApp, or the app that you think that it's better for you. When you are all ready to start watching, click Start Stream button. If you want to pick a new episode or add more people, exit out of the group watch by clicking the back arrow. If you want to exit the group altogether, click Leave Group Watch on the title details page to exit out. One important thing to mention is that the stream will be continuing until everyone taps or clicks this button. You can do this from any device. How you can join a Disney Plus group watch? You can join Disney Plus group watch on your computer, mobile device, or a smart TV. On a desktop or mobile, just log into your Disney Plus account or open the Disney Plus app. Select your profile and then select the movie or TV show that you are watching with your family and friends. Then select the group watch icon on the title details page and then join stream. On a smart TV, you must accept a group watch invite in a mobile device or computer before switching over to a smart TV. If you want to stream on a TV, then you must accept a group watch invite in a mobile device or computer before switching to the smart TV. You can do this by opening the Disney Plus on a smart TV and then select the same profile you used to accept the group watch invitation on your computer or your mobile device. Then select Join Stream. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments down below. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like and click on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.